Hello dear Pisces, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. So before we begin our reading for the month of December 2020, I request you all again as usual to please do like and subscribe my channel and do share my videos also. Thank you so much for doing that dear Pisces. So let's begin our reading for this month, for the last month of 2020. Finally we are here. Yeah. And yes, we have your cards. I have your cards ready with me. I have the Judgment card. We have the Eight of Swords, and we have this Seven of Pentacles card also here with us. And when it comes to the career side, these cards are pointing us that no, there I'm seeing some kind of benefits are going to happen to you this month. You will be rewarded. You will be, this is the time, you see, where you just need to address the incomings, things coming your way. So I'm saying that yeah, you will be rewarded. Maybe it can be it's more likely a monetary way. So if you have already been struggling with something, if you were already putting some efforts onto something, developing some new skill or some extra task or finishing up with some project. So here is a time that this is the time to benefit with that. Okay, so your efforts, all these efforts will be rewarded this month. If you anything was were being prolonged, that did not happen, the money was not released for your project, so these kind of things will get resolved this month, dear Pisces. And again, I'm seeing that yeah, with the Judgment card and with this Seven of Pentacles card here, what I can say is some really nice changes is going to happen for you when it comes to the definitely when it comes to the career side, when it comes to your business or your job related things. So definitely you will see some kind of positive prospect and some kind of development or some skill change also might happen. These kind of changes will bring diversion, or will bring new edge to your career, so that yes, that this will give some a kind of a new edge to your career again, to your business if you are into a business again. Okay, but we have Eight of Swords energy here. Eight of Swords energy is saying me that this Judgment card is no this Judgment energy is giving us these prospects, but it is now up to you. You are not able to see things beyond your you have limited restricted your vision actually, and you are not able to see things beyond that. So you feel that yes, everything else is blocked, but this is not the correct thing. But this is not the correct way to assess the situation here, Pisces. So this is what I'm seeing here is, this is only the vision which is blocking you. So all you have to do is open your eyes. Enlarge your vision, or in a more practical way, if I have to say, then I would say think beyond the possibilities also, or act, try to do some efforts beyond the possibilities that you are seeing. If I can do this, if I am here to do this reading, I can do something else also. So the think like this, and when you start thinking this way, definitely I am seeing this are going to be rewarded, and you will be seeing that new prospects, new paths opening up for you again, dear Pisces. Yeah. And we have on your love side, on your relationship side, we have really good cards, which is Two of Water, which is Three of Earth, which are saying that yes, there is a possibility of you getting into long-term commitments also. If not, this make use of this energy, and if you're looking for some commitment, for some committed relationships, then here is the card, here is the energy for you this month. You can get into some long-term commitments, or if there was any issues in the relationships, in the romantic relationships also, or in other relationships also, family relationships also, then these conflicts will get resolved this month. So this is really a very good time for you if you want to prosper your relationships. Okay, if you want to strengthen your relationships, then this is actually a very good time, dear Pisces. The we have this three of earth energy which is directing you to be a team player. That means you need to interact more with people. So this is the energy which is saying that yes, no, not just sit idle and just look, cherish the things the way they are. You have to be a team player. That means you have to be assertive here, because we have eight of air energy again in when it comes to the relationship reading. And this is again giving me the same feeling what I told you about the career side, about your career reading, where I said, yeah, you have to improve your vision, right? Where you feel, otherwise you feel trapped, you feel you don't have any opportunities left, you don't have any paths left to move forward. So this is not the way. Even the same thing what I am seeing here is the same kind of behavior might happen. I mean, the same kind of thing might happen when it comes to your relationships also. So you need to feel beyond that. Lack of self confidence is what I'm sensing here, Pisces. So stay strong. Okay, be confident, stay strong. Afraid to take action is what is the card is guiding me here. So very important that you should be confident, you should be confident. And if you are feeling that low energy, if you feel that no, you're lacking confidence this moment, so just forget about all these things and try to take baby steps. This is very important that we should always be moving. Okay, at least tiny steps, so that when this is like when we move slowly also, we actually over a period of time we then understand that we have actually covered a long distance, right? So I would suggest that if you are not able to, if you are feeling low, if you feel that if you are really lacking that confidence, then at least take few baby steps. But don't be just stand idle like this. Okay, yeah, we then have your energy card here, which is a very strong energy coming your way, dear Pisces. And this is Archangel Raphael cards here, which is saying me that Archangel Raphael is here to heal us actually. Probably with the eight of swords energy, which has no which has made us low. So this card, this energy, this he is here, Archangel Raphael is here to heal us, which will definitely open us, which will definitely prepare us to be receptive to many things, not just relationships, or not just to opportunities, but yes, opportunities of different sorts. It can be career, it can be relationship, it can be money related also, health related also. Yeah, so these kind of emotional healing will definitely happen. This energy coming to you, Pisces, this month. So make really good use of this, and once you heal, you definitely see that you are competent enough to do many things now. You are competent enough to achieve many things, achieve your goals very easily and quickly now. So yeah, this is the energy for you this month. I actually forgot to take out your angelic guidance card. Let me do that here now. So yeah, Pisces, angels, please guide Pisces for the month of December 2020. Angel guidance. Oh no. Angels for Pisces, December 2020. Okay, I take out your card. Here is the card. Have confidence. Oh God, what What a lovely message, and what's an on spot message from angels. Dear Pisces, have confidence. Moving forward does not necessarily require you to have confidence in yourself. Confidence in God is enough, along with knowing that God works through you and with you in all ways. Lean upon as if your confidence wavers, and we will bear your courage and faith. Wow, such a on spot message from the angels when we were talking about the confidence card. Here the angels are directing us that yes, they are here to support you. They are here to support you on the confidence side, and they have in the first line itself, as we were already discussing, that if we are short of confidence, at least we should keep moving. So in the first line itself, they have texted us. I mean, there's a message saying that keep moving, don't just simply stand, keep moving, have faith in God. And all these, confidence and all, if even if you are feeling short of it, angels are here to work with you. Don't worry about it at all now. Okay, so with this I wind up my reading, dear Pisces. I hope I'm able to explain you. Do let me know about this reading under the comments. Thank you so much for that. And yeah, I see you again in the next month, dear Pisces. Till then, I wish you good luck. Take good care of yourself. Bye bye.